Now available McCarthy cars 2011 Saab 9.3 1.9 TTiD turbo diesel with 180 horsepower in metallic silver. It's got the xenon headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, it's got the rear parking sensors, 2 exhaust pipes, it's got the luggage cover and twin seats. Let's have a look inside the car. It's got the full black and grey leather interior with 5 headrests, armrest in the middle, electric windows on the back, electric windows on the front, electric and folding mirrors, $69,000 miles on the clock. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth, radio and CD player, cruise control, air conditioning and climate control, heated front seats, 6-speed manual transmission, and for your safety, airbags on the front, and also on the back. To book a test and get more information about this car, please give us a call.